when you're working at home, don't open first your Revit before turning on the internet because sometimes there will be some kind of a pop-up here, pop-up that you cannot close it anymore. If you turn on the internet first before opening the software. So actually for me, I open first the software, let it run for 5 minutes, 10 minutes before turning on the internet. But if that pop-up appear here, you can just restart your. Let's just wait for this gentleman to open it.
So now I opened the link. I opened the link by WhatsApp.
First thing is now. The first, the offset is missing. That's the offset. Here. This is the problem with that. When I is to higher pressure. Since we are using ground pressure, it's very bad. No, in case it will not run, better to install the 2018 while we are waiting. Turn off the first. Wait for it. That's for that. I told you now that when opening or when to see our tablet, turn off the internet first before. Now open our exercise files, just like what we are doing right now. So open. Okay, let's now go to the modifying tab and let's just perform this offset one more time and we're going to move on because this is important. No? Okay, so here in exercise number 2, okay, let's do it together. No? Okay, again, I will share you my technique. No, I say offset OF. Okay, I place the value here. Okay, This is my technique, no? After I place my value, I will click somewhere empty first, no? Somewhere empty, no elements, no? I will click there, for example. Okay, before I do this technique here, I will place it there. Press the tab and then click. Okay, it's not this technique actually, no, the tab technique actually it's not it will also work for, it's actually for selecting an element, not for offset only. Let's say for example I want to delete this one. I will place my cursor. I don't have any command, no, I don't have any offset, I don't have any mirror. I will place my cursor here and then press tab. Oh, I was able to select all of them, left click, and let's say for example, I want to delete them. Now I can delete them all together, not one by one, no? Imagine if you have so many walls to delete, no? It will take so much time for you to able to finish that. Okay. So guys, can we just move to this mirror pick lines? Okay. Also this is a review, no? So I believe this is our last, no? So here, okay, so I just want to point out this, so in order for us to select multiple elements, we press and hold Control, yeah? Okay. So in this example, let's select the door, the window, and this wall. And let's just press delete. Let's just perform the mirror, no? Mirror pick axis. Okay, again, in this one, the door, the window, I'm pressing now the control, and then this will delete. Okay, so let's just mirror these three elements, the door, the wall, and the window. Let's select this one, press and hold the control, yes, and this, okay. So once the three selected, the three elements are being selected, for mirror pick axis, and then select the center wall. Because I'm going to tell you now the other type of mirror now. Done? Okay. So I guess that's it now. For exercise number 2, you can delete this 3 cars if you want. Okay, you can select this 3 and 3. And you can select this 3 and perform mirror again. No? Select. Okay, now let's ready for the other type of mirror, which is here, the mirror draw axis. Let's be ready for this one. Ready now? Okay. So for the mirror, okay, let's just compare. No? The first one is you're going to mirror by picking an axis. The second one is you're going to mirror as well by drawing an axis. No? So the shortcut is DM. Okay. So I'm going to select these 2 cars. No, I already told you that you can select elements using window, using crossing, okay, or you can even use your mouse by pressing the control. You can add. Now, once those elements are being selected, press DM, okay, And let's select the center of this guide. Click and then click OK. So you will also perform the mirror. So the shortcut is DM. The other one is MM. Should I write it in? Okay. So just quickly do this exercise number 2, and I believe you just have to select everything, no? Exercise number 2, DM. This one and this one. Okay, quickly do the exercise number 2. I just have some tips for exercise number 3. Exercise number 2 done? Okay. For the exercise number 3, better, okay. Exercise number 2 done, sure? Let's go exercise number 3. Now, for exercise number 3, don't mirror something, don't repeat the mirror. For example, here, I will select everything, okay, like this, and I will perform mirror, no? So what do you think will happen to this one, no? Let's say I'm going to mirror it like this. What do you think will happen in these two walls? They will be duplicated, no? So when you select it, actually, before you perform mirror, deselect these two. And how do we deselect again? By pressing. How do we deselect element? How? Tell me. How do we deselect an element? We said that press and hold the control key. Control is to add. Press and hold the shift to subtract. Yeah. So press and hold the shift key. Shift. And subtract these two. Shift. Control to add. Shift to subtract. Can you subtract these two first before you perform the mirror? DM. Okay. So this one and this middle point. Were you able to subtract it? Done? How about these are done? Right. I would say that that
It's like,
Right.